Hi! Here is the simple secret to achieving major success with Shopify Dropshipping. Are you ready? Don't try to do it alone. Gone are the days of random tactics. Now it's all about building a strong brand, choosing a unique niche, and mastering the latest trends. Trust an expert who has been in the market for over 9 years, and many of his clients earn over $200,000 per year. If you want a store with this potential, choose the premium package with 25 winning products and all the extras. There's no risk because Fiverr Pro offers a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the service. In the worst case, you'll get your money back. But the best-case scenario could change your life completely. Click the link below and find out why their services are so special.